Welcome to our grand quest of reasoning, where every mystery starts with a question. Today, I invite you on an adventure to explore the magic of math, not just about numbers, but about how we think. Our objectives are clear. We learn how to observe patterns, apply logical rules, and blend these approaches to solve puzzles. Imagine unlocking secrets like detectives and scientists, using clues gathered from the world around you. Now, let's journey together to discover how both inductive and deductive reasoning can lead us to amazing conclusions.
Hey, Daniela, how's your day?
I'm doing fine, Krishna. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. But, by the way, do you remember our lesson yesterday? Like those numbers that our math teacher wrote on the board.
Yeah, you mean those even numbers?
Yeah, that's it. So, I just wonder, what are your observations about those numbers? Like 2, 4, 6, and 8? Do you notice anything?
Oh, that? Well, I just noticed that each number is added by 2 or multiplied by 2.
We both have the same observation. So, since we carefully observe those patterns, we can easily predict that the next one will be 10, 12, and so on, right?
Yes, you're right, Krishna. This method of forming a general rule from specific example is known as inductive reasoning, where it's our observation that guide us.
Absolutely. And even though our rule seems clear, we always remain curious and ready to test it with more examples so that, we can have stronger conclusions.
Thus, by exploring patterns in nature and data, we can uncover simple yet profound truths.
Wow, how amazingly inductive reasoning works.
It is. Math's inductive reasoning is undeniably wonderful.
Look, all items are sale. It's really cheap. Since we know the rule, we can use that rule on any items on sale here. I see a shirt with a sale tag. By our rule, it must be cheap.
Yes, this is deductive reasoning. We start with the general rule and then use it to decide about the shirt.
This simple idea helps us make smart choices when shopping.
By using a clear rule, we trust that our decision is right, just like solving a math problem. The weather was so hot, I am craving for iced coffee.
Perfect. Since we are here, let's buy some iced coffee.
Let's go.
Have you seen their menu?
Yes. By the way, last time we visited the cafe, we noticed that if you mix coffee with milk, you get a smooth latte. That was our inductive thinking from examples.
So now, we use deductive reasoning. The rule here is, if a drink is made with coffee and milk, it is a latte.
Since the menu shows coffee plus milk, we can be sure it is a latte.
Yes, mixing our observation with rules makes our choices clear and sure.
This shows that combining both ways of thinking makes our answers stronger and easier to understand.
This park is quite old. I heard a story that there's a small treasure is hidden here.
Really? Yeah, I have seen some mentors too. People said that old bench near the big tree might hide a secret.
Using inductive reasoning, I noticed that many visitors mention the bench when they talk about hidden surprises.
Yeah? Now with the deductive reasoning, we know that the treasures are often hidden near old and special places, like this bench.
If we combine what we saw and what we know, the treasure might be right under or near the bench.
You know what, Ellen? Let's search the area together. Maybe by using both ways of thinking, we can find the treasure hidden in our park.
Today, our adventure revealed the magic of math through inductive and deductive reasoning. It showed that math is a powerful tool in everyday life. We learned how inductive reasoning by observing patterns helps us form ideas from specific details. We also saw how deductive reasoning applies general truths to specific cases, ensuring solid conclusions. So, combining these methods, we solved puzzles and uncovered mysteries, as if unlocking hidden treasures. So, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, logic is the key to understanding the world around you. By observing patterns and applying clear logical rules, we can solve problems and discover hidden secrets.